Most smartphones look identical. Same slab of glass, same rounded corners, same camera bump in the corner. And then there is the Nothing Phone 3, with its transparent back, glowing glyph lights, and a design that genuinely makes people stop and ask what phone that is. But looking different is the easy part. Does it actually perform? Check the best price from the link in the description. So what can the Nothing Phone 3 actually handle? Everyday smartphone use scores a 9.4. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 makes this feel fast and responsive in everything you do daily. The 450MP cameras score a 9.0. 4 cameras all at 50 megapixels is a serious camera setup that covers wide, ultra-wide, portrait, and telephoto without compromise. And the Glyph Interface scores a 9.2. This is the feature that makes nothing genuinely different. The LED strips on the back light up to show you who is calling, how much battery you have left, and notification alerts without you ever turning the screen on. Once you use it, going back to a plain back feels like a downgrade. Daily performance. The 5150 mAh battery scores a 9.4. This is a big sell, and it shows in real use, comfortably lasting a full day, and then some for most people. The 512GB storage scores a 9.6. You will genuinely struggle to fill this, which means you never have to think about storage management again. Nothing OS scores a 9.0 because it is one of the cleanest Android experiences available, close to stock Android, but with its own personality that feels intentional rather than bloated. User experience. The Glyph Interface design scores a 9.5. We want to say this again because it is genuinely the most distinctive smartphone design feature available right now, and it works practically not just aesthetically. The transparent back aesthetic scores 9.3 because it gives the phone a premium, almost handcrafted feel that you simply do not find anywhere else at this price. After-sales support scores a 7.0 though. Nothing is a relatively young brand, and their long-term software update commitment and service network are not yet at the level of Samsung or Google. Worth knowing before you buy. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. We do honest data-driven reviews every week, so you never buy blind. Who is this for? Design-first tech buyers score a near-perfect 9.9. If you care deeply about how your phone looks and feels in your hand, nothing else comes close at this price. Android enthusiasts score 9.6 because Nothing OS is genuinely one of the most interesting Android skins available. Young professionals and students score 9.3. But ecosystem-dependent users score 5.5. If your life runs on Samsung's ecosystem or you are deeply invested in a specific brand's services, switching to Nothing involves a learning curve. Final verdict. Performance and battery are excellent at 9.4, and the design and glyph experience score 9.5. That combination makes this one of the most satisfying phones to actually own and use daily. The honest weakness is after-sales support at 7.0, which is improving but still not at the level of the big players.